Hello, how you doing? I'm just cooking my lake trout that I caught last maybe 11 months ago that I had shrink wrapped and frozen, and I butterflied them. Get the charcoals getting started here. Yeah, we'll get these going here, and we'll get this out of here. I think it's could start on its own. Let's unplug it. Don't burn my glove. That's all right, it hasn't really taken off yet. And keep the kids away from this until that cools off, about 10 minutes. Butterfly them open and rub them down with some 100% pure avocado oil. Good for high temps. And this seasoning here, Lowry's lemon pepper with zest of lemon. And I will take you out on the grill that I got the charcoals ready, and we'll show you in a minute. This is the back side, the front side, or whatever. Still got some nice color to them. And we'll just throw a little bit of that on there. Do both sides. I cut that guy's head open in half too. Okay. I'm gonna bring it outside to check out the barbecue. See if I can get this to turn around. Okay, here goes nothing. Fish number one. And fish number two. I'll flip them in a couple minutes. Okay, let's have a look. Sorry for the finger. Should have waited a little bit more. Okay, they're done. get it all on there. There you have it. Rainbow trout. And let's try a little taste here. Comes right off the bone. Little smoky flavor, mild, no oily flavor. Takes that farm-raised taste away with do it on the charcoal grill. That's rainbow trout on where they release the fish from their station, or they raise them and they put them into the lakes for us to catch, and they're there a couple of weeks before we catch them. Okay.